Okay, this is session 2 of June 14th, 2022, where I'm trying to get the report view working. Right now, the profiles is ending up null, which is pretty interesting. Um, since that's controlled from the app component. So instead of page, I'll do profile. Except none of this is getting displayed, huh? Profiles. Profiles. Okay. But I'll give it another try, see if it shows up. Yeah. So not showing up. Use context, global context. Let's see. Profiles. Global context dot profiles. So is it not yet loaded? Maybe it's just not yet loaded. But then it should up. Ooh. Yeah, so maybe it's not loaded at first. So if I do if profiles, but then it'll eventually load. Then that, otherwise return null. See what that looks like. Still lots of errors. Let's see, collecting content 183. Collection. Let's see. So I am getting this. I wonder why I'm getting that. This link isn't. Is it helpful? Times collection item name. I don't know if that's at all helpful. But I am getting the profiles eventually, and then it gets this other error, report columns. Cannot read properties undefined, reading properties, so report columns. Wherever I put that. Report, oh, that's under here. Report columns. So profile. So that's profiles. Okay. Am I not getting the type? Page. Page props. Page props. Okay. Let's try that again. Then we'll look into what that other error is. Page props cannot read properties undefined. Page props. Use context. Dot page. Oh no, it is page. Oh yeah. Okay. So page. What's page props? Page props. So that's what I get from the back end. But I don't put that directly under page. Okay. So I need title and type. Page props dot page context dot type. Is that right? Let's look at treatments. Props page context type. Page props. Oh boy, I don't remember how this works. Page context. And then app gets us page props. Where am I getting that from? Page props. So page props to pass to component. No. Where am I getting that? I don't remember. Page props. When I'm returning page context. Breadcrumbs. So breadcrumbs is going there. Page props breadcrumbs. Oh, page props. That was a Next.js thing, huh? Right. That is a Next.js thing. I totally forgot. So type should be page context type or nothing. Type. So page.type. Right. So page.type. So I'll do page here. Page. See what happens here. Okay, so profile properties. I should turn off. Hello. I should turn off preserve log. This gets confusing sometimes. Reload again. Temporary properties undefined reading properties. Okay, so type is nothing for treatment. Treatments. Page context type. Let's console log. There. That's console log. Okay, whatever. Treatments. I'll say treatments 0. Undefined and undefined. Treatments. Request treatments. At graph 0. Okay. At graph 0. Okay. So now I'm still getting no type. Oh, there we go. So that's good. Now fail prop type columns. Let's see. Sort use state columns. So I'm passing nothing in columns. Why is that? Columns is columns. Possibly because I'm not generating columns. Let's see, report columns, profiles, page type. Report columns. So I'm going to set a breakpoint in if I have collections available here. Come on. Collection about 111. And just set it here. Oops. Wow, what's happening? So reload. Okay. So page, well, execute the line. Okay. So page has title treatment, type treatment, that's correct. Profiles has nothing. Probably because it hasn't loaded yet. So if profiles, then nothing. So that should be okay. So now profiles has nothing. That should be okay. Profiles has nothing. Nothing. There we go. So if profiles, then profiles page type. So page, here we go. Page type is treatment, profiles, treatment. It should be there. Yep, it's there. Goes to report columns. So let's go to, if it's available, libs report columns. So here, profile, object.keys, profiles, properties. Huh. Okay. Warning. Columns is marked as required. Oh, did it actually? So profiles is stuff. Profiles, returns, returns. Let's go back up. So columns, yeah, columns has stuff. Data collections has stuff. Columns has stuff. Columns marked as required, but its value is undefined. Profile. Does it become undefined later? Let's get rid of that. Columns. Reading 0. Huh, so something sortable grid. Type 0. So I still don't know why this is happening. It's marked as required, but its value is undefined. So what I'm going to do is do a log to display columns, and reload. So columns always has something. Marked as required, but its value is undefined right after I show columns. That's kind of weird. Unless, boy, that's kind of weird. Profiles, and it's always returning something. Insertable grid, but its value is undefined. Oh God. Columns. All right. Okay, so we have this junk here. All right. Interesting. Yeah, what would that be? So all the columns are being shown on top of each other. Columnar. So I'm probably missing something I had before. So look under awards here. So collection chart. I need this report sortable grid. Okay. So report. And then report. Oh, there we go. Then I need to import report. Awards. Where am I getting that? From components report, I may not end up using that module. Components. Report. Oh, there we go. Still getting a bunch of errors. Report is not defined. Oh, okay. So this should be okay. Yeah. So there's the report view. Sortable. Yeah. And yeah, I don't know if we end up actually using this. Let me start over. If we actually end up using this report view in production, if we need to do some special things for this, we did that for encode with a sort of a plugin architecture to have like links to things. But I don't know. We'll see. Not going to worry about that right now. But yeah, so there we go. So that's for tissues. So now if I, so awards, sorry, not tissues, treatments. So that's treatments. So if I do collection content and I set this to report instead, I'll call it table, doesn't really matter. Then I should get, hello, if it's list, oh, it was list. What am I doing? It was list and it's still displaying as report. Current collection view, list, it's not list? Collection view, oh, well, because I'm getting the wrong one. Collection view, page props, page context type. Right. So, why don't I sort these? Here, page. And that would go there. So this would be page context type. Current collection view. Oh, yeah, I forgot it's an object. Collection view is list. Then it should display the old way. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. And if I make this table, then it displays as a report. All right. So I'm going to have to put a wrap around this so it scrolls horizontally. Do I not have that already? Overflow hidden here. Um, so what determines, well, that's a bad one. Treatments, labs, here we go. Shrink, grow. So this determines the width. Not really. It's more like this determines the width. So what I need is a so this one, so overflow hidden. So if I go back to treatments, X auto, that doesn't work. Overflow X auto did not work. because that's a class. I meant style. Style equals overflow x auto. No? So the page is definitely, what is this, 1280? Whereas this is 3000 pixels wide. So this is going to need a specific width right here. So like, I don't know, width 100%. Nope. Um, yeah. So this is going to need a well, hold on. What about this one? Oh yeah, this one doesn't have it either. Okay. Yeah, so I think what I'm going to have to do is define a width here. Yeah. So that's going to take some CSS research. So I'm going to end the live stream here and look at that because I don't want to do research on something in a live stream. So I'll continue this probably later today. So see you later.